Okay, I want to make sure that you guys have a sense of the logistics of how to post your peer reviews, just the ins and outs of how to work that process on Blackboard. The other PowerPoint and video will give you specific instructions for what I want you to do, but this will show you how I want you to post it once you're ready to do that. So, once you're in our Blackboard site, and remember you need to have done this initial post by Thursday of the week that your project is due. So in the case of Project 1, that's Thursday of week 3 at midnight. Come into our Blackboard site, and then over here, watch my cursor on the left-hand menu, you're going to click on the tab that says Groups. And then you should get a page that looks something like this. Now, I can't see exactly what this page will look like for all of you. It's possible that you will only see one Project 1 peer review group, and that'll be the group that you're in, but you also may see all of these, and that's fine. Whichever is the case, you're going to find the group that you belong to, and there'll be a list in the week, in the weekly units folder, but also you can click into these groups and find out who's in each of the groups. So you'll choose the one that you belong to, and imagine you belong to group 1, and you'll end up with a page that looks like this. Now you've got instructions here, but I'm going to talk you through them again. You'll also notice that I've got a list of the group members in this group, so that's how you can double check and find out if you're in the right group or who your group members are. And most of you right now are in groups of 3. I've randomly assigned you, and I probably will be changing those assignments from project to project. So once you're in this page, you want to come down into Group Tools, and you'll see you've got 3 available here. Mostly I'm concerned with you guys using Group Blog. So click on Group Blog, and then if nobody's written anything yet, you'll have a page that looks kind of like this. What you'll do is then click Create Blog Entry, and I promise you're almost done. And then once you've done that, this is what you'll see. Okay, Create Blog Entry. You'll title your entry with your name and Project 1, or if you've got a special title for your project, go ahead and put that there. And then what I'd like you to do is, just to be sure that everybody can access it, I want you to copy and paste your whole project right here into this text box. And don't worry too much about the formatting, but try to make it look the way you want it to be presented to your readers. Remember, they are going to be reading to give you comments. And then also attach the file just in case there is some kind of formatting problem. I would rather you guys be able to see it there in the blog, so don't just attach it as a file, but make sure that that's there and available for your readers. And then you want to post entry once you're finished. Now, I can't show you what that looks like exactly because I don't have anybody's paper to use that with yet, but what you should see then, when you go into your group blog, so when you come back to this page and you click on Group Blog, you would then have everybody's paper posted as if it were a blog entry on just a regular blog on the internet. And then you will give your peer review critiques as comments to your 2 partners' blog entries. So, remember, one thing I will say about what I expect from those blog entries, I want you to be respectful, I want you to be thoughtful, remember you're there to help, and also to develop your critical reading skills. Focus on the thoughts that the person is engaging with and how you can improve the thoughts rather than how you can improve spelling and comma and punctuation. And if you have any questions, be sure to shoot me an email. Oh, one final thing, and again, this is outlined for you, but make sure that those comments that you give back to your partners, aim for about 100 words. And that's about a paragraph's worth of work. So I want you to give them some good feedback. Okay, again, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Good luck.